Welcome to the Quit Genius app for mental health review, usage experience. Links to the app and additional resources are provided in the description below. Quit Genius is an innovative app designed to help individuals overcome addictive behaviors, focusing on quitting smoking, alcohol, or other harmful habits. It's tailored for those who want evidence-based, personalized support to regain control of their mental and physical well-being, whether they're just starting or have struggled with relapse in the past. At its core, Quit Genius uses cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, a proven psychological approach that helps users identify and change the thought patterns driving their habits. The app provides step-by-step interactive modules that are easy to follow and backed by clinical research. These modules guide users through strategies like managing cravings, building healthier routines, and understanding the emotional triggers behind their habits. One of the standout features is the personalized quit plan. After an initial assessment, the app creates a structured roadmap tailored to your goals and lifestyle. It tracks your progress, celebrates milestones like days substance-free, and offers real-time advice to keep you motivated. Quit Genius also integrates mindfulness and relaxation exercises, helping users manage stress and maintain focus on their recovery journey. For those seeking additional support, Quit Genius includes access to virtual coaching. Certified coaches are available to provide guidance, answer questions, and offer encouragement through in-app messaging or scheduled calls. This human connection can be a game changer for users who benefit from accountability and personalized advice. The app also has a built-in community feature, allowing users to connect with others on similar journeys. This peer support fosters a sense of solidarity and reduces feelings of isolation. For users tracking financial or health benefits, Quit Genius highlights money saved and physical improvements, reinforcing the positive impact of their progress. Whether you're looking to quit for the first time or want a structured way to stay on track, Quit Genius offers the tools and support to make meaningful, lasting change. Check the links in the description to learn more and start your journey to a healthier life today.